Hello girls, as we were doing Unit 7 Introduction to PowerPoint, today we are going to continue with the same. We had done most of the topics from this chapter, and I hope you have done your question and answers, 3 of them on your notebook. A few of the topics were remaining, which are following: saving a presentation, then closing a presentation, opening a presentation, and the last is slideshow. Today we will discuss these topics only. First one is saving a presentation. It is similar to, we have always been studying how to save in Paint or in Word. What you do is, either you can click on the save icon which is present in the quick access toolbar, or you can go to the file tab and there is save option. You can go to there, and then there is this PC option. You select that from above and go click the button browse, and then you can browse your PC. You can select any location which where you want to save your file, for example desktop or any drive, any folder, and then you give a name to your file and click OK. So this is how you save. When you click on the icon on the quick access toolbar, the same save as dialog box appears, which asks you about from where you want to save and what would be the file name. So you provide these both things and then you click OK to save. The next is how to close your presentation. You are working on a presentation now, you want to close it. You will go to the file tab and there is close option. When you click on the close option, a dialog box appears which asks you about, assures you that you really want to close, and at the same time it asks you that you want before closing you want to save your document or no. So it says there are 3 options. One is save, the other is don't save, and the last is cancel. So you can, if you have already saved and you just want to close it, you can go with the option don't save. But if you want to save your document before closing it, you can select the option save and then save it with the file name and then close it. Next is open a new file which is already saved in your system. How you open it? You go to the file tab. These all options are present in the file tab. You click on the open option and then it comes different options like recent files, and then you can also browse your PC to select a file and click on open. The last is slideshow. What is a slideshow? Slideshow is basically a series of slides displayed one by one on a screen. You don't see the toolbars or the ribbons or navigation panes or the status. The whole of the slide is covering the whole screen, and there are 3 ways to start a slideshow. Number 1 is from quick access toolbar. If you see it carefully, you can see the icon of slideshow over there. When you click on it, the slideshow starts. The second option for playing the slideshow is that it's the same button. Slideshow button is present at the bottom of the window as well. You can select it from there. And the last is that there is a proper slideshow tab also in the tabs list. You can click on that slideshow tab and then you can see different options. From you want to start your slideshow from the beginning or from the current slide, so you can select the option from beginning to start the slideshow from the start. That is all for the today, and that brings us to the end of the chapter as well. Now for today, your classwork is that you have to write question number 4 and question number 5 in your notebook. Question number 4 is write steps to insert a new slide in a presentation. And how you insert a new slide in a presentation is that you go to home tab, and in the slides group there is new slide option. You click on that and then you select a layout of your slide, and that slide is added to your presentation. Question number 5, mention 2 ways to start a slideshow. We have discussed in this lecture 3 ways. One is quick access toolbar, the second is the bottom button, and the third is slideshow tab. So here I have discussed only 2. From quick access toolbar and from slideshow tab, go to slideshow group and click from beginning. That are the 2 ways to start a slideshow. That's all for the classwork. Now your homework is that you have to learn question number 4 and 5, and I want you all to solve book exercise on page number 108 on your box. Fill in the blanks, choose the best options, and true false. All the exercise on page number 108. That is all for today. Thank you so much. Goodbye.